Question on this one, man. See the animation. Dummy, man. Dummy.
Paper chasing, now let it chase me. Granted to an ounce, started banging 80s. Niggas know my name, they probably would snake me. Enemies, they come daily. A lot come daily if you ask me. I'm in that fast lane and you niggas couldn't pass me. Flicking out my ashes, smelling all grassy. They asking about a price, nigga, that was last week.
Money getting spent, big cake and how we make it. 28 gangsters throwing out paper. Homie get knocked, gotta find a replacement. The deal going down right now and I ain't waiting. We was supposed to get in, man, but we wasn't supposed to smoke. Damn, I told him not to bring that gun in here.
I tried to fight it for so long.
What it do, YouTube? I didn't do a lot of how to, what to, because I don't know how to, what to. I'm just winging it. I didn't show you anything, sorry. But today, I am showing you something. So we got our base coat down. This is just the base coat, one coat of base. I have another clear, or should I say I have another green, and I need to go get another clear as a matter of fact. I was working on this for a while, got tired of it sitting here, so now I am rushing myself not to do nothing else. So what I did was I sanded it all down, had some paint peeling down here. I also had pinholes, got some pinholes down here. You can still see my sand marks still, yes. There was body filler in this whole area, so there's primer in this whole area. There's no primer over here hardly, other than right here where the Chevrolet sign was. I had some cracks in the paint, didn't get them all out. They're still there. But yeah, this is where we're at. I'm gonna let this dry and I'll jump back to it.